Attention index traders, get ready for the mid-cap. Nifty weekly expiry day. The previous close for mid-cap Nifty futures was at 10,976. Keep an eye on the support levels, starting at 10,899, followed by 10,870 and 10,824. If it's resistance you're looking for, focus on levels at 10,996, 11,021, and 11,260 zones. Take note that India VIX is at 1499 with a 74% decrease. The trend and range for the day are expected to be between 10,800 and 11,1050. That's all for now. We hope you found the video helpful for your trading and investment decisions. If so, please show your support by hitting the like button, sharing, and commenting. Wishing you a happy and safe trading experience.